In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Audible app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the official download page for your device safely and confidently. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. This could be the one that came with your phone or tablet or a browser you've installed yourself. Make sure you have a steady internet connection so pages load quickly and you're not interrupted partway through. In the browser's search bar, type Audible Download and hit search. This is the fastest way to land on the official download page without manually navigating through different sites. You'll see several results, including ads and organic listings. What you're looking for is the link that takes you straight to the official store page for your device, not a third-party site. A good sign you're in the right place is a link that clearly points to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or to Audible's official website with direct links to those stores. If you're using an Android phone or tablet, choose the result that opens the Audible page on the Google Play Store. On that page, verify you're looking at the official app by checking that the developer is listed as Audible Inc. and that the listing looks professional with the recognizable Audible logo and consistent branding. The Google Play link should be hosted at a play.google.com address. From there, the store page is where you'll be able to get the app for your Android device. You may be asked to confirm your Google account or your device, which is normal depending on your settings. If you're using an Apple device like an iPhone or iPad, choose the result that opens the Audible page on the Apple App Store. Again, confirm you're on the official listing by checking the developer name and the familiar app icon. The App Store link will typically be at an apps.apple.com address. Once you're on that official App Store page, you're in the right place for Apple products, and your device will guide you through any prompts based on your Apple settings. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always stick to the official store pages to avoid unsafe downloads. If the page suggests opening the store app on your device, that's expected and helps ensure you're getting the genuine app. If you're on a computer, these pages can still point you to the correct store so you can continue on your phone or tablet. That's it. Open your browser, search for Audible Download, choose Google Play for Android, and choose Apple for Apple products. You're now set to reach the official Audible app page for your device.